we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of DICKMITH USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. The following is highlight features or overview summary, that's include Hi-Fi sound quality. This USB-C to headphone adapter adopted an advanced DAC smart chip, offer high-definition audio, powerful noise reduction, you can get higher fidelity sound from it. Multifunction dongle. This compact USB-C to auxiliary adapter can connect your USB-C devices without audio jack to headphones, headset, speakers, and other audio devices. This portable USB-C to 3.5mm audio adapter enable you to listen music and answer phone call with your headphone and support wire control function as well, such as microphone, volume control, pause and play functions. Durable and reliable. The auxiliary adapter USB-C made of enameled coated copper wire ensures, and made by aluminum alloy casings. High-strength material offers a good anti-pull resistance function that is strong enough to withstand twist, tug, and tangle. 100% copper wire core provides high-speed and stable signal transmission. Standard 3.5mm audio jack and USB-C plug can withstand repeated plugging and unplugging. Plug and play. Simple extension to jack connection, plug and play. Small and lightweight, easy to carry around. Unblock the world of hi-fi audio for you anytime anywhere. Quality ABS shell plus TPE cable materials ensure 10,000 plus times bending and prevent damage caused by tangling and scratching. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.